Good morning, everybody. It's your girl Emily Marie, and today is 10:32. We do usually supposed to wake up around 6 or 7 o'clock to take a run in the morning, but we didn't. I do have on my bonnet because I am just getting out of bed, and I just threw this on because I didn't have on no clothes, like clothes, and I do have to get in the shower again. So yeah, but I usually do wake up and get in the shower anyways. Also, sometimes, most of the times, I just shower at night and leave it alone. Sometimes I shower at night and then in the morning. Sometimes I shower in the morning. Anyways, I did promise y'all that y'all will get a real day in the life video of the update of how we've been. But here it is 10:33. So today y'all gonna get everything, like, because y'all gave me tips on, how to get my son potty trained, how to get him to drink the water, all that. So today y'all be seeing how your girl been progressing. So we do open a lot of the blinds in the house, y'all, but one of these blinds I can't reach, so it won't be open until he get up and come open it. If y'all see these curtains right here, y'all, the curtain's too heavy for the ride, so that's why it look like this. But actually, I like it. Fix it by pulling them all over to this one side. Okay, yes. I don't want y'all to see outside, of course, so I'm gonna let the camera on me while I do it. But there we go. This look way better now. And I'll just leave this one open across the front, because I have small children. So, yeah, period. That look way better now. But we also went and got this stuff, y'all, because these are some chips, some water, some Gatorade, some candy, because we actually planned on going to Florida today and making some money. Because if y'all know us, we all about making some money. But y'all, I got some cornstarch, y'all, because I am trying to make cornstarch chunks. I started yesterday, but I hope the store is open. I started making it yesterday, y'all, but I got tired of doing it, so it was taking way too long. So let's get back to it, like, right now. He's gonna take it out. Here's the cornstarch. Here is the amount I got in the water bottle, y'all. I really wish I would have started with a small bottle because, oh my goodness, this is taking too long. And it's very messy. Hold on, y'all, let me. Okay, so we got us a spoon. I'm using this as a funnel, y'all, because I didn't have the, I don't have a funnel. We had a funnel, y'all, but it got lost, so I just stick this. If y'all want to do it, I just stick this in the water bottle. And I've been cool on cornstarch, y'all. I've been doing better, but I just want to make these, so. Okay, y'all. I'm taking another break from that, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to eat a bagel. So you get your bagel, open your bagel. Sometimes they don't be cutting them all the way through. So sometimes you might gotta cut it yourself, but I don't feel like doing all that, so we're gonna pull it apart. So, and then I mush this part down, y'all, so it don't get burnt inside the toaster. So, put your bagels in. I set mine to like 2.5. Push it down. It's literally the quickest, easiest breakfast, like, cause my family not big on breakfast, y'all. I cooked them a whole breakfast and they didn't eat it. So just do that, okay? Oh my goodness, I forgot I left this in the freezer. Also, y'all, this is some good juice, kinda. It's kind of nasty. But after I eat this bagel, I am gonna get in the shower because, like I said, we got stuff to do today. And I want to feel very fresh. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not sure if he want a bagel. I'm pretty sure he do want a bagel. So I'm gonna just make a couple of bagels. And then that'll be our breakfast. And then we'll probably have to eat out today because we're gonna be cold. What the freak, y'all? Look at my baby. Y'all don't mind him. He ain't got no shirt. He just got out the tub. What you say, Judy? Octagon. Look, y'all. Mind you, he not even 2 years old yet. And he just literally, y'all just heard him. He randomly talking about Octagon. Don't ever play with my son, bro. For real. Like, my son, y'all, he is so smart. And I do want to put him in daycare. But I want to put him in a daycare. Well, his dad want to put him in daycare where he, like, learn different languages and stuff. So we don't want to just throw him in daycare. Like, we want it to be worth it. Because he is literally so smart. Like, no shade, but, like, our 1-year-old walking up knowing Octagon. Like, take it to your sister. You gonna throw it on the floor? What is that?
Bunny.
Bunny.
Ada.
Octagon. You so smart, bro. My baby is literally so smart, bro. Well, yeah, he did get the bunny wrong, but it's the same thing. It's a rabbit. So don't play with my baby. And he brought the same Octagon card, but don't play with my son, bro. What color is that? Green. It's green. Okay, now this is 2 bagels, and while I'm putting the cream cheese on them, we're gonna put these in. Wait. Mommy gotta put the stuff on it first.
Hot.
It's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Also, my son loves bagels too. We're just a bagel family. So,
Hot.
hold on. Y'all, when I didn't record that week, we had company. So that's why, that was another distraction of mine. We had a lot of company. But I had ordered like 4 packs of bagels with 3 cream cheese. So that's why I got so many bagels. But I love bagels anyway. Ice cream. Cream cheese. But yeah, that's why I got so many bagels left. But I love bagels anyway. So I was like, let me get these bagels. And I wanted everybody to taste the bagels. And we didn't have a lot of company. We had 2 guests. 2. But it was a little break and help with my baby, so it was definitely worth it. And you know, everybody need a break, y'all. I do be, well, I was like recording like every day. Everybody need a break. I don't know, y'all. Not anything like me. I love, here, Duty. I love my bagel loaded down with cream cheese. Is it hot?
Yeah.
You want me to get it? Okay, you gonna eat it? Don't drop it. Want mommy hold it? Here, you ready for it back? Don't cry. Don't do that. Big boy. Here, mommy will give you half of it since it's hot. Here. Here you go. And you come back for your other half. Y'all, he will literally sit right here. Oh my goodness. And eat as many bagels as me. Like, if y'all know, y'all know. This been our snack for like, since we moved in, bro. Since we moved in. This been me and his snack. Like, we literally eat it for a snack. Like, we don't even get the snack. We eat it for snack. But yeah. I'm gonna just make a couple of them. Because all of us love them. Even my daughter, y'all, like, if my son walks around her and he have a bagel in his hand, she gonna try to take it from him. I hate when they do them uneven, like when they cut them uneven, because then it's like one side is way thinner than the other one, but, and it be breaking, but we're gonna throw these in here. Maybe I'll just make like this because I really don't feel like rub all of this in. I'm gonna flatten this in. Okay, y'all. I'm not sure when the last time y'all been in my bathroom, but y'all in my bathroom. Anyways, I have this wig right here, y'all. I have not put it on and I just left it dry. So we are about to fix this wig up. Also, back, y'all, this is my shirt I got on. It's very wrinkly. I wasn't supposed to wear it. Anyways, we're about to brush our teeth before anything, y'all. This is not the toothbrush I really use, but it's the toothbrush I'm using today. So, let's just do this real quick, y'all.
Get with it.
I'm recording. Okay, if y'all know, I usually do be putting this on my face, but today I'm not putting it on my face because honestly, I used it yesterday and I don't feel like it's necessary for me every day because my face clearing up anyway. So don't mind this rag, y'all. My face literally be this dirty. Like, I don't know how. I really don't know how. Because I wash my face every day, but it's like every day. Like, this literally you really get the dirt off your face. But it's like every day when I use that, it's like, it get all the dirt off my face. And it get on the rag, so. But these are brand new rags. It's crazy. I don't bathe with them or nothing, like. Only for my face. But we're not going to use this today. But we are going to use this because we didn't use it. We haven't been using it, y'all. We have not been using it. So we're going to use it today. And that's also good with cleansing your face. Like, it's a face cleanser, but it's real good with cleansing your face. So, oh, we got hair on this. Okay. I really don't know how my face be this dirty, but anyway, that's saying somebody asked me, do I rinse my face? Like, after I do this, after I use this, y'all, I don't rinse my face after I use this because I didn't think I was supposed to. I just go straight in with the Vaseline or the Aquaphor. But today we're doing Vaseline. But let's fix this wig, y'all, because it's a mess. I did get a new spray bottle right here, and it's a real good one, y'all. And it was literally $1.99. So go get you one. But the leave-in conditioner, I think y'all said leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in conditioner, which is Fenty hair. So that's what we're gonna use. But let's fix this nappy wig up. I really don't want to do it in my bathroom. I'm not doing it in my bathroom because it's gonna leave hair everywhere. So let's go to the kitchen. I mean to the living room or something so I can be easily swept up. Peace. Sorry about there, but I look cute. But we about to head to the beach, y'all. But we about to head to the beach. We got our babies in the back. And y'all don't really have much to say. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get there because it's not nothing to talk about right now. Peace, y'all.
For school, when they have nobody else to.
Alright.
Yeah. That just scared me.
Let me see the chunks. Let me see the chunks.
I didn't know they was right. What?
What are they doing?
Look. They keep landing by us.
Emily, we need to watch them.
We're gonna watch them.
Like, hopefully watch them.
You scared? You wanna go in the sand? Come here. Okay, let's come on. Y'all, we made it to the beach. We've been here for probably like 5-10 minutes. It's got this little playground at the beach. We got in the water. We put our feet in for a little minute. Come on, Duty. Need help? He always do this, y'all. Every time you try to help him, he wanna do something else. Come on. You wanna get in the sand? Come here. He always wanna do his own thing at the playground. Like, he don't ever want no help. But, yeah, my hair is everywhere. Ah, go with your daddy. Let's play in the sand. Come on. Let me show you my baby girl. Come here. You know how he is. He don't want no help. go play in the sand. Come here. Oh, this is the beach.
Go to the car now.
Go.
No. How about I had it with you?
Look, Duty, come here. But it was the closest beach, and we got, as long as we got sand and water, then yeah. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna record on my phone for a little bit. I'm about to sit my camera down because I don't want sand in the speaker, and I definitely don't want sand in my phone, so I can only focus on one. So I'll get back with y'all, and it's hot. Ow! This hurt. Y'all, we in the water. The water feel nasty, but water is water.
Right. Nasty, Jay.
Yeah, I just put my hair in a little ponytail, but I did not plan on getting in the water. That's why this is my outfit, but I'm in it, so.
She's smart. You see the phone stuff over there?
Foam?
Yeah, she's like, ew.
Oh, foam.
Yeah.
Look at his back. He need to get in the water. Yeah, my baby blood water skin. He can't even feel the water right there. Okay, never mind. Let me just let you keep being cautious because this feel nasty anyways. All this. Yeah, it look nice out here though. Ew. Okay, hold on. Let me get out this.
All grass right there?
What happened?
No way, I just stepped on something.
Something just. Ew, this is nasty.
Oh my goodness.
Probably that seashell right there. It's bubbles.
No, that hurt, Emily.
Okay. Oh, hold on to me. But we going back up.
Oh, that shit
Jay, you
hurt.
like it?
Hold on.
Sit down. Yeah. Look, we way over there. I don't know. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. I probably got y'all a good 10 minutes of recording. I'll put the whole clip in the video. We're gonna sit here and enjoy ourselves because the beach, the sand, the vibes at the the water is what we need. So I'm gonna get back to y'all maybe when we like leaving or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna enjoy my time at the beach because this is like my first time all summer going to the beach. So
Yeah.
look, mommy gonna put her feet in there.
Mary, come on. Come on.
Ooh, put his feet in. He gonna want that back. You gonna have to use your hand. It's like hard sand. Let me show y'all from this angle. Ooh, Jay. Put your feet in.
Wait.
Oh, it actually feels heavy. He over there farting. Y'all want to take this wig off so bad. It's hot out here.
Matter well. Ain't nobody out here.
That don't matter. I'm finna have to get up because he keeps throwing the sand.
You stuck, Jay. You stuck. Get up.
I don't have my phone to take a picture of him.
I'll get it.
Hurry. Don't let sand get in it though. Here, y'all. Look at my baby. We definitely needed this beach day. He haven't been to the beach since I think he was around 7, 8, 9 months. He was young. But we had went to Florida and we are in Florida right now. But and last time he did go.
That's the only get on the boat.
And last time he did go to Florida, he did enjoy it though.
Come down. Jay.
Oh wait. Okay, y'all, we are leaving. Hold on. This for that cups here.
Driving?
I'm really not that sure about how to let this down.
This thing not supposed to down. That's why he kept flying like that.
He ain't gotta worry about that with me though, but how do I let this down?
Hold on, I'm coming. Hit that book line. Just put it there.
You got my phone, right? Oh my goodness, this is gonna be the most uncomfortable ride ever. Like for real. I'm about to drive with panties like. I'm gonna get back to y'all because I'm already uncomfortable and yeah. Okay, y'all, I got a new drink that I'm about to taste. Let me taste it first. Thank you. Put me in drive. Thank you. Hold on. They ain't got a little seatbelt. I'll taste my drink real quick. Okay, y'all, let me taste my drink real quick. This is my order. Hey y'all, so I am in Walmart now. This might be the last piece of the video y'all see, or y'all might see us meal prepping. But we are in Walmart right now and we are getting some fruit, y'all, because like I told y'all, I'm trying to make some candy fruit. So yeah, if y'all see my hair, don't mind my edges, because y'all know we went to the beach and stuff, so it's like he always talking, y'all, and I just be so shy. And we were just talking about this in the car, like every time he talking to somebody, he be meeting somebody, they be rich or something, y'all, and I be shy to talk, like. But if y'all can't hear me good, I'm so sorry. Like, I literally charged up my mics and I'm not even using them. But we are at the grapes. Bananas like $1, I think. Y'all, we gotta find us some good looking grapes. Hold on, I'm gonna sit y'all down so I can find some good looking grapes. These are pretty. No. Yeah, we do have peanut butter. Help me find some peanut butter. No, like big grapes though. I don't want to stand right here long. It's cold. These look good enough. These gonna have to be, because you're not helping me. You stand here looking for them. My camera is embarrassing. Like, oh my goodness. I didn't mean to switch on you. My camera is so embarrassing. Like, it's so perfect. But y'all don't mind to stain on my shirt. I do not know how they got there. Oh, we had some. Y'all seen the Starbucks we had. What else we need? She sent me $2. Oh, this. But we had some Starbucks, y'all. I couldn't really record for y'all because I was driving. My head is shut. I'm about to go home and pull this right up off. Let's go down here real quick. No, this is not the one. Right here. But I couldn't really record for y'all because I was driving. But I ate the whole thing though. Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Should I make them with this or should I make them with the Jolly Ranchers?
They're simpler, faster.
It is, but alright. Anyways, it was good. I drank the whole drink. Y'all seen the meal? I mean the order. If y'all didn't see the order, I'm so sorry, but I told y'all tuck the tips out anyway, so you probably can find the same thing. The chips right here. There's chips down here. But yeah, y'all could probably find the same thing. It was like a strawberry crunch something, but it was good. But I'm sorry, y'all keep talking about, but I'm so distracted. Oh, you got them? Nothing. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get up out of here. are finally home. If y'all see me cover my shirt, the Starbucks drink I had made a mess of my shirt. So, yeah. But we just went to a little, actually we went to Walmart. And we got some grapes. Let me show you what we got. Okay, y'all. So we got some fruit roll-ups for my grapes, bananas, and also we have blueberries.
Yes, sir.
Hi, y'all.
Leave bath water rag.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is probably the end of the video. Maybe y'all watch us cook, I don't know. But if y'all don't see us cook, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. If y'all do want to see anything, my registry is in the comments. If you want to send something outside the registry, I will open the P.O. box, but y'all gotta let me know before I open it. So, yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned. Let me know what y'all want to see. Why?